Good morning, students. We will continue with our chapter 3, that is nothing but rational numbers. This is the last topic we are going to see in the rational number, that is nothing but operations on rational numbers. How to do all the operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division using the rational number. Today we will see how to perform addition and subtraction using rational numbers. We will just continue with the addition. Addition of rational numbers can be done only when we have same denominator. ரெண்டு same denominator இருந்தால் தான் you can add the numerators. Numerators மட்டும்தான் add பண்ணுமே தவிர you should not add this denominator. See for example here. For example, I am giving 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Check whether this has same denominator. If it is having the same denominator, add only the numerator. So 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4 by 7. The denominator will be the same. If the denominator is not same, you need to take LCM and then make it the denominator same and then do the addition. You just see minus 6 by 7 plus 3 by 7. It is nothing but we have same. Check whether we have same denominators. Yes, we have same denominators. So you can add directly. So minus 6 plus 3. So we have same denominator. You should not add the denominator. Denominator should not be added, only the numerators. So minus we have here plus. So what operation you need to do? Minus into plus, minus. So minus, you need to do subtraction. So 6 minus 3 is nothing but 3. And what what sign you need to put? Which is the greater number here? 6. 6 has minus sign. So minus 3 by 7 is the answer. Okay, which is the larger number, you need to put that sign in the answer. Okay, here we have minus 2 by 9, minus 16 by 9. So both of them have the same denominator, you can add directly. So minus 2 by 9 plus minus 16 by 9. Now see here, minus 2 plus minus 16 divided by common. We should not add the denominator, it should be given as it is. So minus 2, here plus into minus is nothing but minus. Okay, so minus 16 divided by 9. Now we are having two minus signs. So if you have two same signs, what you need to do? You need to add. So if you add 2 and 16. If you add 2 and 16, what is there? 16 plus 2, 18. So 18 by 9. Now what sign you need to put? For both of them we have minus. So you need to put minus 18 by 9. Okay, you just reduce it to the simplest form. If you are able to reduce it to the simplest form, you just make it to the simplest form. So 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. So the answer is minus 2. Understood, students? This is nothing but the rational number addition using rational number with the same denominator. We will see for the different denominators. If you have different denominators, how you will add? See here, minus 9 by 24 minus 1 by 8. So the denominator is different. Now you need to make it same and then you need to add. So what I have said, you need to take LCM of 24 and 18. Just take the LCM like how we have done before, that is 24, 18, in which table it goes. You just go on doing it till we get 1. Okay, if you do that, you will get LCM as 72. Okay, to make the denominator as 72, what you need to do? You need to multiply this 24 into 3, both in the numerator as in the denominator. So you are getting minus 27 by 72. Again for minus 1 by 18. For 18 you need to multiply by 4, both in the numerator. Whatever you are multiplying in the denominator, you need to multiply in the numerator also. So minus 1 into 4 is nothing but minus 4 by 72. Now you have got the same denominator. Now you have got the same denominator. Now you can directly add. So if you add minus 27 by 72 minus 4 by 72. If you add, you will add only the numerator. Okay. If you add only the numerator, minus 27 plus of minus 4. That is by 72. Okay. So plus into minus is nothing but minus. So you are getting minus 27 minus 4 by 72. So if you have both of them have the same sign, you need to add. Okay, if you add, what you are getting? If you add both these two, minus 31 by 72. This is an addition method using different denominators. Okay, now you are having a mixed fraction. If you have a mixed fraction, you just convert this into a improper fraction. If you have minus 6 3 by 4, you just convert it into a improper fraction. How you will convert? 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 3, these two should be multiplied and the coming answer will be added to this 3. Okay, so 24 plus 3 is nothing but 27. So the improper fraction is 27 by 4, same as that of this. Okay, that is we are getting 15 by 8. Now check if you have the same denominator. Do you have same denominator? No, you don't have the same denominator. So you need to take LCM. If you take LCM for 4 and 8, it is nothing but again 8. Okay, LCM is nothing but 8. Now to make this 4 as 8, you need to multiply 4 into 2 is nothing but 8. You need to multiply into 2 into numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, you have got 54 by 8. The same as that of for 15 by 8 also. If you multiply with the denominator to make it 8, it is to multiply into 1 only. So the answer will be the same minus 15 by 8 itself. Now we have got the same denominator, right? Same 8 and denominator. You need to directly add it. So minus 54 plus of minus 15. So plus into minus is nothing but minus. So for both you are having minus sign. So if you have both minus and minus sign, you need to, same sign means what I have said, you need to add. So if you add minus 69 by 8, you need to convert this into mixed fraction since the question is a mixed fraction. So you need to convert it. Okay, this is nothing but the addition of a rational number. Next we will see about the subtraction of the rational numbers tomorrow. Okay students, please try to finish all your assignments because all your assignments depends upon your monthly test mark. Okay, try to finish all the assignments and submit it soon. Thank you students.